Hello everyone, and welcome to The Watch Counter. Please subscribe for more unboxings, watch mods, and strap reviews. Today we are unboxing a Zelos Horizons GMT with bronze case and Meteorite dial. Zelos is a micro brand based out of Singapore, owned by Elshan Tang. The brand has established itself a cult following based on Elshan's creative designs, use of rare and interesting materials, customer service, and the fact that you as an owner can reach out to Elshan at any time via Facebook and the Zelos Timekeepers group on Facebook, and he will almost always reply directly to you. Want to feel more like a family member than a customer? Welcome to Zelos. Let's get into the unboxing. All right, here we have a beautiful real wood box, unmarked except for that Z on the top. Just a beautiful thing. You don't see this kind of packaging with many watches, and especially not at this price point. All right, gonna open up here. We have magnets holding down the lid, and inside you'll find a blue faux leather watch roll. Getting a watch roll with any watch is not something I've seen before, and I'm surprised more companies don't do it. It just goes to show that, Elshan is a really creative guy, and he really does think about his customers more than most watch brands, I would say. So first up, we have the warranty card. I've covered up my serial number there, but beautiful little thing. I mean, the attention to detail on something as small as a warranty card, to go in and engrave it and punch out all these holes. Totally unnecessary, but definitely in the Zelos fashion. Next, we have the spare included Horween leather strap. And you'll notice it'll say Horween right there on the strap. Just beautiful. All right. And next up, we have the actual watch. They usually come in these little protective sleeves, which is great for shipping, especially for bronze. You don't want to expose to the air the whole time it's in shipping. It might start to change colors before you're ready for it to. And there we have it. Wow. Just beautiful. Now, something that doesn't come off on camera very well is that Meteorite actually sparkles. I'm going to try to bring a light in here and show you what I mean. There it is, right there. You catch the right light with this dial, and that's what you get. It's beautiful. It's unlike anything I've ever seen on another dial. And to be able to say you've got a 4+ something billion-year-old meteorite on your arm, I mean, not many people get to say that. All right, let's jump into the specs. A 40mm diameter, a 20mm lug width, 45mm lug-to-lug length, 12mm thickness without the crystal, water resistance of 200 meters, a crystal being made of sapphire, as well as a sapphire case back. Beautiful, and I've covered up my serial number here for you as well. Or for me, I guess I should say. Bi-directional 60-click bezel. That is what you want on a GMT like this. The movement is a Swiss at a 2893 with that custom rotor. The case material is a CUS N8 bronze. The dial's textured with C3X1 Swiss Superluminova. We'll get a Lume Shot here in a minute. Has a signed screw-down crown. The bezel insert is black ceramic with a Lume pip at 12. And the watch has an MSRP of $999, but Had introductory special pricing of $749 if you were an early adopter. All right, let's get that Lume Shot and an on-wrist shot for you. All right, here we have that Lume Shot. Now, keep in mind, this is in the middle of the day, so I apologize. This isn't a pitch black room. But as you can see, the Lume is extremely strong on these Zelos watches, and it really stands shoulder to shoulder with brands like Seiko in terms of how strong and long-lasting that Lume is. Beautiful. And you'll notice that 12 o'clock pip is actually in blue Superluminova instead of green. And here we have the on-wrist shot. Wow. I mean, the presence this watch has on the wrist, you just know as soon as you look at it that it's not like anything you've ever seen. Seeing that Meteorite dial with that bronze case combination, it's just beautiful. Matching bronze buckle, of course. And if you know anything about bronze, it'll age over time, and as it ages, it'll dull and darken and kind of become its own unique piece of you, I guess you could say. Now for me, the 40mm size is a little bit small. It actually comes off on camera as bigger than it looks in person. I don't know how to get that to work right for you, but I'm used to a little bit chunkier watches, and I do have a medium to large size wrist. So if you're somebody with a normal size wrist or a smaller wrist, this watch would be absolutely perfect for you. If they made this in a 42 mil, I think it would be my favorite watch. All right, everyone. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. And we have many more videos like this coming, so please subscribe and stay safe out there.